Yeah, so I come to the market and I'm looking at the market and wondering what is the heck. So I see that from 5 here, uh, 5 p.m. today, the market has been pretty uptrend. And remember, at this moment, I have already succeeded on this. I have 20,000 on this account. You can see I have, this account was originally 300 and now I have 320,591 and 36 cents. And you can see the loss limit is 7,500. And if I fail that, if I go below that, then I'll be taken out. So my goal today is not to trade like I've done before. As you can see from if I go to the trade report and then I go to generate, I want this to is 23rd, another to generate, and then I go to the trades. You can see my trades here. I have done pretty well. I started with 750, 1,000, it went to 2,000. It could be the same day, of trading, or even on the same trade but different exits, depending on how I'm filled. And I've only lost this, and this doesn't mean that I lost the trade. It means probably I bought, then I added, and then I sold one at a loss but the other one at a profit. So the whole if you count the whole trade, I gained. That's why sometimes you get less. For example, here it is 7,265, and the next one is 6,550. But when I exited later on, it was 7,285. Things like that. So you can see I have proceeded well. I have 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, up to down here the net of 18,000. So, and because I have already succeeded in that, my trade, my goal today is not to trade vigorously or ambitiously. It's just to place one trade or two trades, using as little as possible, risking as little as possible, because I want to maintain that profit up to the 10th day, so that I'm funded that way. So I'm looking to be done by next week Thursday. That's the 10th day. So, and you can see I'm only trading NQ, Nasdaq, December contracts, Z1, and I've been doing good. So I'm glad. So I have that. So we are going to enter into a trade now and see whether we can make a profit. I hope so. So first of all, I'll come here and I see we have an uptrend. That's one thing, but then it can change. And because I'm trading on 2 minutes and 5 minutes, maybe let me see how 5 minutes is. I don't trade, the farthest I have gone is 15 minutes. But I can see now the market is kind of going down. And okay, what is going on here? Okay, because I had chosen that maybe. So on the 5 minutes, it's the same thing, but I noticed one thing, that this was an uptrend like that, so to speak. it was broken down here, went down, tried to come up, and then down. So what do I think now? I'm thinking the next move will be upwards, but I have to wait. I have to wait to see what will happen if, for example, we break this down here, or if you like there, touching more lines there, and see if it breaks down, what happens. If it doesn't break down, what should I do? If it doesn't break down, I'll buy. If it breaks down, I'll sell. Remember, I only need one trade to count for this day, and today is Wednesday night, which is counting for Thursday trades. I've been trading since Friday. So Friday morning I traded, Monday morning I traded, then I traded Monday evening, which was counting for Tuesday, and yesterday I traded Tuesday night, which was counting for Wednesday. Today I'm trading Wednesday night, which is counting for Thursday. So I had this trend line, but now the way I'm seeing things, I might change my mind, because now the problem is we also have that channel forming, and I'm thinking now, what do we do next? If this touches here, it will come down. If it touches down here, it will come down. I don't see the power, looking at the volumes here again. Let me see, what am I seeing here? You can work on the volume. There's no volume down here. You don't just enter the market, because what I see is, if we cruise up, there's resistance around this place. It's too much of this, and this could be the orders waiting to be filled, and the prices will go up, or they could be stops. Could be stops, because I'm very sure there are people who are thinking this thing will go up now that we had this strong uptrend here, strong bar, this one, and then they were trapped, and they are just hoping that this thing goes back up so that they can take their profits. Wow. The other way to look at this is to look at this as a downtrend, short-term downtrend, that is, and at the same time we can look at two-legged pullbacks. So this is 1, 2, up. Okay, that was a perfect one. If you look at this one, 1, 2, down, then 1, 2, up there, but then this one is down, up, down. So I don't like this. This is not definitive. So you can use this 1, 2, down, and this is 5 minutes chart. Let me see what is happening on a 2 minutes chart. 2 minutes chart looks like just stagnant there. Nothing is happening. That's our line there. If it goes below that line, this thing will shoot down. At the same time, I see there was a big downtrend, red. So I wonder whether this is going down. But the good thing is we are not working on contracts. It's just one contract, and we can with a 30,000 account with Apex you can do more than 30 contracts, so we have a leeway. Then you also have a very good 7,500 as a drawdown. Is good enough. You trade with ease in mind and you don't have to worry so much. At the same time, I look at this and I wonder, really, what is going on? This looks like an uptrend. This looks like a downtrend. It looks like a downtrend. I don't know how to do it. It looks like a downtrend. It was a downtrend. It was broken briefly, and then it was rejected around this area. Yeah, you see what is happening. Maybe it doesn't get through that line, but there's also a push. This long, this is a rejection to go up, rejection to go up. But let's see what happens. I might enter a sale. After it comes up a little bit, I'll enter into a sale. I'll enter into a sale because this is 1, 2 up, 1, 2 down. Yes, 1, try to go up, then down, and surely folks, I'll enter into a sale. Right, wait, it's trying to go up. I'll enter into a sale there. There was a, what do we call it, and I'll just wait for it to come to shoot it down here, and that will be about very little money. It's just $40. Let me see. For this, with this program, you have to, this is not confirmed. When you see D, it's not yet confirmed. It's just like staying there for. So we're in profit. We have $12, $20. We're doing okay, but I hope this thing doesn't help at all. Now we are in for $55, and that will be enough. Maybe I can put it at 100 and see what happens. This is five minutes. Let's see how it goes. If it goes up, we shall add. I usually add and then wait for it to come down and average in. Let's see this. Let's see how it will, what will transpire. So I can see them coming to test this again. Yes, and surely. See them coming to test this line here, which is a line of what? And that is all trade. The only trade we need today is just one trade and we are out. We can even get out right now, but how did the market come up this far? Yesterday we were trading here. You can see my drawing there. The other day I traded here. The other day I traded here. The other day I traded I don't know where. That's the history of me trading. If you want to follow that, that's my history there. let's see what is going on. Looks like you are almost filled, like 2 points or so, 2 ticks, but it went up again. Let's see, 1 minute. It's going back to where we sold. Touched our line. Maybe this was the correct one, but let's see what happens. If it doesn't fill, which I don't think it will do that, it is going down. You can see that. Because we have resistance here, we have a lot of volume. The only danger is we don't know what this is. Is it trap? We don't have volume down here, so I don't know. That's the only danger. And today I'm trading in my shirt, just showered. I do this on the side, at night, like 1 hour or 2 hours, and I'm good. I'm done. And yesterday I had 4,000 in profit. The other day I had 10,000. I had 14,000. That's 18. Another day I had 2,000. Another day I had 1, I think, and I lost a day there. But in total, now I have the 20,000, which is the target profit, which I have met. So now I'm relaxed. I don't care so much. I'm just waiting to trade until Thursday next week, and then I'll be funded with $300,000 for me to trade. And if when I trade and get a profit of 7,500, there will be no other drawdown. I'll be good from there. But before then I'll have to observe the rules just the same as the evaluation itself. But until then, when that is done, then I'm free. And then also the other advantage is you have full access to all the number of contracts. That is 34, 35. This thing has gone up. It's going against us. And let's see what is going on at 5 minutes. And this doesn't look good because there's a dilemma here. There's this. Let's use this right here. There's this trend, and there's also this trend now forming here, and this is a triangle. So as we move on and this thing continues to lose energy, momentum, sometimes we don't know whether it will shoot up or it will go down at this point. We don't know. It has those two probabilities. But then we have this line, this one, which is showing me where the support is. So if it comes down, breaks that line, and comes this way, then it will have to come to this support line. I hope it happens that way, because if it happens, then we'll have taken our profit and be done with trading today. Yep, it's dropping down. Patience is also another big thing in trading. Sometimes when I started, I used to get so nervous, but with the time I have learned that nervousness doesn't help. What helps is your mindset and how you're going to control your losses. Have I succeeded? Yes and no. I have succeeded, yes. I have also failed many times. I have withdrawn money, yes, but I also have failed many times. But this time I'm looking to be more proactive in the way I trade. And I hope when I'm funded 300,000, I just hope I'll be able to be withdrawing some money on a monthly basis. The good thing with this prop farm is it is not a get rich quick, and I have that mindset already. It's trade what you can, withdraw what is just enough for you, to me, and then the way I look at it. So therefore, if that's the case, then I feel more comfortable, I feel more confident, I have more confidence in trading this, because I know, after all, I'm not just here to trade one day and get 30,000 and I'm done. It's a journey, it's also a learning process, and I feel comfortable that way rather than being anxious, looking to make money and go. This is developing a relationship with the market, relationship with the prop firm, relationship with the other traders, and that's what I'm looking for. The maximum you can withdraw is 3,600 per month for the first 4 months, and therefore that tells me, for example, this 20,000, I got that in 4 days. So if I do a good work and God bless me, then it means I can be able to withdraw that. But then when I'm allowed now to withdraw as much as I can after 4 months, I should be good. I can withdraw more than 100,000 in profit. That's my goal. That's my goal. So what's going on here? It's still in profit, but remember, for this drawdown, it's a moves with you. So because we were down here, down there already, I have lost like $50 in the drawdown, worth of drawdown. But I don't care about that so much for now, to be honest, because I have already succeeded with my profit target. Let's see what happens. If it, my take is, if it breaks down below this line, below this trend line, we should be fine. If it doesn't, we might want to think twice, and especially if you are trading a small account. This is okay, it's a big account. I can even add 5 of them and still move and be comfortable with that. But sometimes it is not very easy for somebody to do that because of the account size. So let's see what has happened. 2 minutes. 2 minutes looks okay. Although I don't like when it is extended like this and it is touching and moving back and all that. But I'll wait it out. Now $45. They're aiming at 100, so that will be about, let's aim at 105, so that commissions are taken care of. The other thing you can do is to come and say, I don't have that button here, reverse. I can add it. Add that button here. I can add one button called break even. Apply. So you can come here and say break even and lock at that point. You can do like that. So if it comes up, we don't gain, we don't lose. Yeah, but I don't want it. I don't care so much about that right now. Almost there, but it didn't work. Let's see, 5 minutes. It's time to move up. There's a push back up, but we have this strong move down. So expect another strong move down, and then we'll be off. It can go up wherever it wants. So 1, 2 down, 1, 2 up, 1 down, up, 1 up. This is not as strong. One up, down, 1 up, 1 up. This is confusing a little bit. Okay, 2 minutes. What's going on here? Up, down, trying to go up, didn't happen. So down. This is what I see. This is what I see. I'll use what? Gary. This is what I see. I see it was up there, came down, up, down. That's what I see. Up, down, up, down. That's what I'm seeing myself. I hope I'm right. Almost. Now let's wait it out. This is $100. Commission is $2 per side. So I have 1 unit. So 2 and 2 is 4. We'll see whether that works. We'll see whether that works. This is how I spend my night, by the way. Little things here and there. And some few coins in my pocket. Some few chances to survive in life. Because I believe opportunities are out here. It's only us that don't exploit them. Let's see what happens. I don't like the 5 minutes the way it is doing, because now this is becoming as indecisive. There's a tail body. Okay, now it is pushing down. Now it is pushing down, but still, what is going on here, man? Oh, it is down here. Let's see. That might be a push back, because that's 2 minutes. 5 minutes again looks more solid. Up, down. I hope it comes down here. And if it goes up, there's no worry. That's a market. It's not about me. I don't tell the market what to do. The market decides. If it decides to give me oranges, I take oranges. If it gives me lemons, I take lemons. The only thing I do is to try and make lemonade. Yeah. If you are looking for $90, will be out by now. What's going on here? Possessions, okay. 95, we are looking for 105. 105, 105. So we are down there. Only that we have not been filled. We are filled and out. We are filled and out. So if you look at this, we have 105, we have 320, 692, 38 from this figure amount here. And if you look at the trade report, again, we have I said the commission as $2 per side, but actually it is $1.99, $1.99. So I have this. The only thing I have not understood is why do we have 18,000 here, 990, when here it is 20,000. That one I haven't figured out about this trading platform. We could have come here and taken 5 and taken a quick 1 point and get 100, very few points and get 100 and move on. But why risk? Why risk at this stage? I have done that before and I regret it. I had a very bad day when that happened. Yeah, I had already succeeded, but then I took a very big risk and I lost the whole account on the 8th day. 8th day out of 10 days, and that was very devastating, you can imagine. So all right, continue watching Boundless Grind. It's time for me to do something else. I'm glad you have been watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so. There's much of this that I'll be doing. Many of you expressed interest in this, and because I have already subscribed to this program, then we can work and see what happens in the next few days. And probably this is something that you can do also. I like leaving my lines here the way they were there, because it gives me an idea of what was going on. During the day, market was up, very shooting up, very shooting down, up and down. Then it took off. But today, on Wednesday, it was a FOMC day, FOMC day. They talk about finances and prospects in the US and all those things, and that could be the reason for these spikes. Very, very volatile time to trade. Anyway, you could be here thinking that it is going to go down, then in 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, it's all the way up and you have lost your account. So it's good to be careful during those days. I saw another person saying that they didn't trade anything because of that reason, and I think it is a good reason. So take care, have a good night, and see you in another trade.